Okay, my little pieces of heaven. I have the new LuellaFam Box for April. See it? See it? And there's Junior cleaning himself because he's cool and that's how he rolls. Let's get into this. I have not opened it yet. It just literally came on my lunch break. So, Lurella is a great box. I love it so much. This box is, so tell me the prices. It's like $25 or something. Okay. This is the information. It says our LuellaFam subscription box is here. We are super excited to bring this value box to our LuellaFam. Every month, receive 5 to 7 full-size items and get an exclusive first access to a brand new eyeshadow palette before anyone else. Receive a variety of Lurella favorites each month, from lipsticks to highlighters. You'll be surprised every month. This is $29.99 a month plus shipping. I think it comes out to like $35. And it tells you all the prices. And there's a note on here. It says, we're sorry we are not able to give you a ring light this month. However, we added our kickstand mirror instead, valued at $12, which is more than the selfie ring light, which is at $10. So, yeah, okay. Okay, let's see what we got, baby. We got a lot of porcupine quills. And everything is wrapped up. I'm trying to just take this whole big thing out so I can put the damn box over here. Oh. Okay, let's get to it. And I'm full of shit. Literally. Well, not really. I have the poops. I know you all care. So, Governor, let's see what we got. Excuse me, Junior. Say hi to my lovely assistant. And all the frickin' boxes I have laying around. So, first thing we have is, I believe, the Lurella Night Thinker Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $13. Let's just see what this looks like. Lurella's quality is fucking amazing. If my Ipsies could be as good as this box, I would be so happy. And the packaging looks like this. Photo opportunity. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. You know I don't give a shit what I look like. Oh, ooh. Well, fuck me running. This is a beautiful palette. And here comes my little baby cow, Rocco. Can you hear him? Thump, 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 thump. Hi, baby cow. Look at this. Oh my God. If that don't make you have the tinglies, it makes me have the tinglies. Oh, God. Lurella, what are you doing to me, man? I'm just doing some off the top row. This one's like iridescent, super light. Ooh, damn, that purple. I mean, could you really be mad at this? No, because they freaking perform just as good on your eyeball holes. Not on your holes. Don't ignore what I got going on in my head. I can't find my pick. Okay. Next, we have Stay Glam brush set. This is $20. Open. I mean, I mean, they package things good. Like, you can't be mad at their packaging for sure. Let me see what we've got here. Ollie knows it. It's sinus season. It's allergy season. Okay. So, this is the whole brush set. The whole kit and caboodle. They don't feel bad at all. Oh, they feel really good actually. I might just keep this. And look at this big fan brush. Who's a fan of me? I'm so punny. No, I'm not. Oh, my nose is a hose. Okay. So, in replacement of the ringy self light, they gave me this LED kickstand mirror. And let's just take a little peeky boo at this. Oh, this is cute. It's so cute. Oh, it's got little hearts for lights. I'm pretty sure it probably needs batteries, yeah. But it's got the kickstand back here. Oh, it has batteries in it. Well, Lorella. It looks like this. Should we turn it on? Maybe it doesn't have batteries in it. Hi, layer. But it's so cute. I mean, look at that. It's got little hearts. Can you see the little heart mirror? The heart things. And this is a kickstand. Let me see. Okay, it's got lights in it, so it's got lights in it. It's got batteries in it. Maybe they're dead. I don't know. I have to read it. There's instructions with it too. Instructions for use. Press the button on the right side and the upper corner and it will turn on, and press again and it will turn off. They just take the round batteries, so whatever. It's cute. I'm not mad. Okay, let's see what this is. This should be a liquid lipstick that's 10 doll hairs. They package everything so good. So this should be a liquid lipstick. If you can get it open, it sure should be. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at that. My teeth look green. Well, this lighting is not flattering. It is in Bay. Okay. Let's see what you look like, Bay. Oh, this is pretty. This is Bay. Let's try it on. Governor. Look at that. They look straight up green. My teeth are really not green. It smells like cake. Why are my teeth looking green in this light? Whatever. I have green fucking teeth. What up? Let me show you. The color's very, very pretty. See, they're not green. Can I get them less greeny? Still green. Ooh, really green. That's a little better. Whatever. Whatever. And then, okay, that was $10. And then we have this big packet of deliciousness. I don't know what this is a highlighter, and this retails for $14. I mean, they pack shit good. They don't even play around, okay? And it's still packaged. Brighter than your future. How'd you know, Lorella? How did you know? How did you know? Come on, you rotten whore. Open. These are so hard to open. Look at my nose. My makeup came off because somebody keeps making me blow my nose. These have amazing packaging. Like, if you don't have a scissors, you ain't getting shit open. Okay, and it's their black. And this is brighter than your future. Oh, this is pretty. I think. Ooh, is that icy? So I put more on. Ice, ice, baby. I do like me some highlighters, okay? I do. But I even went overboard for me. They're all and sparkling like a princess. So that is my Lurella box for April. How do I feel about this month? I love it. I have not had a Lurella box that I have been disappointed in. You always get your value, which is the $29.99. You get more than that. Lurella is inexpensive to begin with, but their quality is fan-freaking-tabulous. So it's like you get so much bang for your buck. Like that palette could easily, they could have marked it up to $29.99. The colors are super pigmented. Their formula is super blendable. And it's a mere $13. I mean, come on. This little light, and this little light's got some weight to it. She is a girl. Her name's Goldie. Could have easily been more than what they sell these for. And, you know, a bundle of brushes. They're good brushes, so can't really be mad at that. The lipstick is a beautiful shade. My green tea. I wonder if my whites, do you think my white strips can take my teeth tint on the mirror? I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. But that is my Lurella box. And once again, Lurella has knocked it out of the park. They are freaking amazing. If you've not had a chance to use their eyeshadows, do it. You can get them easily for $10 at Lurella.com. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Your only disappointment is wasting 15 minutes on me. So, hey everybody, I hope you have a fantabulous day, and don't forget to wash your hands, wash your butt, and be kind. Like, subscribe, comment, blah, blah, blah. Love y'all.